Hi guys, thank you for stopping by on my channel Kigaa. Today I'm going to be doing a product review. So the product that I'm reviewing today is OUAI Hair Oil, and also be giving you a quick demo as to what's the best way to apply it. So yeah, it comes in a bottle packaging like this, has a nice dispenser to it for the ease of application. As you can see, the texture is very light. It's not like really thick like other oils, you know, that you have for hair, like argan oil. It's damn thick, but this one is really light. You can figure that out. And the good thing is it penetrates very quickly, nicely into the shaft of the hair. So it does provide, you know, extra hydration and moisture to the hair, but it doesn't weigh them down. It doesn't make them look flat. Rather, it adds a nice luster and a bounce. So the OUAI Hair Oil, what it does, the functionality is more like a serum. It works at 3 levels actually. So it fights frizz, so it's excellent for frizzy hair if you have super dry, super frizzy hair. So it does help to tame the frizz and make your hair look a little more sleek, little more smooth and shinier, of course. It also protects the hair against sun damage, the UV rays. When we go out, there is a lot of you know, damage our hair goes through due to harmful sun rays. It also is a protection against heat. So definitely a multitasking hair product which not only works at internal health of the hair by providing them extreme hydration, nutrition, nourishment, but also provides that high gloss finish, you know, a nice luster to the hair. It does have some amazing ingredients. So it has sunflower oil and amaranth seeds, which are great, you know, nourishing factors for strengthening the hair, making them internally healthy. It also has something like borage oil, which is known to fight frizz. So that's what makes it an anti-frizz product. And yeah, the best thing about it, it has this French-inspired, very beautiful smell, an excellent aroma, very exotic, which is, I would say, I can smell a little bit of white musk and gardenia, which makes it look really exotic. So what's the best way to utilize OUAI hair oil? So you have an option. You can utilize it on absolutely dry hair, absolutely wet hair. I personally like to use it on like semi-dry hair. So neither my hair should be completely drenched nor they should be like really dry. I feel this product works the best, at least on my hair, when they're like very slightly damp, as if, you know, you've just sprayed some water onto the shaft of the hair. So what you need to do is take 1 or 2 drops. If you have longer hair, you can go you know, overboard. Take like 3 to 4 drops as well, depending upon the length of your hair. Take a few drops on your palms first. Just spread the oil evenly on the hands, on the palms, and nicely spread it over the hair, but not on the roots or the scalp, only on the length of the hair. So starting from mid-length, you can apply it till the tip and just normally comb it. Let them dry naturally. Avoid to use a blow dryer. So whom is this product for? From my side, I would say this is for just about anyone, because this is cruelty-free, paraben-free, super safe and gentle for the hair. This is also okay for colored hair, color-treated hair, or whether you have wavy, straight, short, long, super straight, super curly kind of hair. It works for all kind of hair. So if you are looking at, you know, boosting up more life, replenishing the health of your hair, and adding that high gloss, high luster look, the sheen factor as well, then definitely you can give this oil a try. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video.